Hey everyone, if OnlyOffice shows a white screen, gets stuck on a blank page, or refuses to load properly, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you several simple fixes to help get OnlyOffice working again. First, completely close OnlyOffice and open it again. Temporary glitches can sometimes cause the white screen issue. Next, restart your computer. Yeah, refreshing the system can solve many temporary software problems. If you're using the web version or cloud services, make sure your internet connection is stable. I mean, loading problems can lead to a blank screen. Corrupted cache files can prevent OnlyOffice from loading properly, so clearing temporary files may solve the problem. If hardware acceleration is enabled, try turning it off. Graphics compatibility problems can sometimes cause white screens. Outdated graphics drivers may also be responsible. Yeah, installing the latest drivers can improve compatibility. Some antivirus programs can interfere with application files. Temporarily disabling protection may help identify the issue. Make sure you're using the latest version of OnlyOffice. Updates often contain bug fixes and performance improvements. If you're using the web version, try a different browser. So, browser-related problems may be causing the white screen. If the white screen still appears, uninstall and reinstall OnlyOffice completely. Yeah, a fresh installation can repair damaged files. If nothing works, contact OnlyOffice support for additional help. They may be able to identify deeper compatibility or software issues. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these methods helped fix the OnlyOffice white screen issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.